Hey, welcome to another video by the QG Lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to share some tips as to how you can make an impressive barbecue for yourself or maybe someone special or for your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more creative videos on living a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle. Follow me on social media at the QG Lifestyle. And now let's get to the grill. Preparation. If you know you're going to have a barbecue over the weekend with some family or some friends, then prepare ahead. Get all your essentials. Oh, and make sure to marinate the meat, chicken, steak, kebab, fish, or whatever, for at least a couple of hours before you start your barbecue. If you're going to have some veggies, and you should, cut them into long pieces, and if they are already too small, leave them as they are. Season them well, this is key. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, some black pepper, and I always add lots of cayenne pepper when I make mine. And oh, some olive oil, of course. If you're making burgers, try to make them from scratch. It's much healthier and tastier than the pre-made frozen ones that you buy from the stores. And get the lean or extra lean ground beef. And for bread and buns, go for the multi-grain whole wheat option. Make some salad too. Once everything's set to go, then it's time to light up the grill. Some grill basics. But first, will you be using a propane gas or charcoal? Always keep the grill clean. Clean after and before every barbecue. Preheat the grill. And if you're using charcoal, same deal. Light up the charcoal, get them glowing hot. And P.S. kebab definitely tastes better on charcoal. And wrap the grill with some oil right before you're about to place your burgers or your chicken, steak, or veggies. Or get a cast iron, non-stick grill. It simply goes on top of your grill and it makes your life so much easier. And your grill will not catch any flame from the melting fat and grease dripping down because this plate collects all the excessive fat into one corner. And some basic cooking reminders. Cook the meat first. A little note, chicken takes longer to cook than beef and fish. But you probably already knew that. Slow cooking is best. Control the heat, rotate and flip when necessary. And also don't overcook the meat because it will lose its flavor and will become very dry. Avoid cross-contamination. Don't let raw meat touch the already cooked food or any of your vegetables. Grill your veggies last because they don't take that long. And if you're serving everything at once, be sure to keep everything nice and warm. Warm up the bread too. And that's pretty much it. Turn off the grill and enjoy your feast like a boss. And with just a little preparation and some basic techniques, you can make an exceptional barbecue for yourself, maybe someone special, your friends, or your family. So make it happen. I hope you enjoyed watching this little video, and if you liked it, click below and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. You can also follow me on other social media like Instagram, where I post more cool videos that I don't post on my YouTube channel. And as always, I appreciate your time and your support. Eat well and stay well. See you next time.